And welcome back, brothers and sisters. You're on the net. I got the helicopter! Okay. There we go. Yep. So easy. Or I'll just shoot him out of the air. Today, we saved the wretched.
Rook, I don't think those were rumors. The scout team just reported in a cult priestess is spotted heading your way. Can't be a coincidence. You only have a few minutes to secure that area. Move carefully.
Oh, there's two alarm guys. Okay. Jesus Christ, there's 3 alarm guys.
We're under attack! We need backup!
Well, fucking cocksucker dick. Fuck a cocksucker. I don't even know what I said. Okay. So they've got plenty of fucking signalers. That sucks.
Rook, I don't think those were rumors. The scout team just reported in a cult priestess is spotted heading your way.
Okay.
Can't be a coincidence. You only have a few minutes to secure that area. Move carefully in there.
So how do I save these fuckers? Oh, the big red fucking button. Ooh, you didn't see shit, motherfucker. What? What? Oh, he's just scaring them. Okay. That's fine. Okay. So each place has its own siren. Okay, so let's pop that. Oop, pop that siren.
We're under attack! We need backup!
Oh man, that one's shot. That one's shot. That one's. How can I save them? Can I shoot this? No. Okay, so it's only way to do anything is to. Ah. Okay. Okay, is there a way to swim in from the bottom or something? No, not really. No, can't. Alright. We will do this. Well, I will do this. You may choose to watch. Because, you know, it's YouTube. The viewer has the choice of everything. Put away. Run. Okay.
Rook, I don't think those were rumors.
Put away.
The scout team just reported in a cult priestess is spotted heading your way. Can't be a coincidence.
Okay.
You only have a few minutes to secure that area. Move carefully in there. They probably have hostages.
Okay. So, this time we're just going to use my pistol.
Do you see it?
Really hope.
The transformative power of faith. Poor souls who struggle with doubt are brought here to be enlightened.
At least.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
God damn it! Fucking go through the... Fuck it, I don't give a shit. Did that one at least? Nope. Somebody saw me! Ooh! I am fucking retarded. I know. I know I am, but, you know. I just remembered I could use a potion. As you would. Okay, so potion consume.
Rook, I don't think those were rumors. The
Okay.
scout team just reported in a
One,
cult
two,
priestess
three,
is spotted heading
4
your way.
alarm guys.
Can't be a coincidence. You only have a few minutes to secure that area. Move carefully in there.
Oh, there's a
They
guy
probably have
over down
hostages.
here. I didn't realize that. Okay, so maybe that's who spotted me. I don't know.
Do you see it? The transformative power of faith.
Take you.
Poor souls who struggle with doubt are brought here to be enlightened.
Not too worried about that guy. That's probably the guy that... Yep.
God damn! Keep fighting!
We're under attack! We need backup!
I'm going out! Gotcha! Into the road! I'm going!
Motherfucker! Each time I save one person out of 5. How the fuck? I understand the guy that saw me. I missed my arrow shot. Like, I understand that, but god damn it, man.
Rook, I don't think those were rumors. The scout team just reported in a cult priestess is spotted heading your way. Can't be a coincidence. You only have a few minutes to secure that area. Move carefully in there. They probably have hostages.
No.
Do you see it? The transformative power of faith.
Okay.
Poor souls who struggle with doubt are
Let
brought
her
here
out.
to be enlightened. That's beautiful, isn't it?
Fuck it, I don't care. That guy's saved. That one's saved. That one died, I don't give a fuck. Everybody else can fucking die. Alright. That every... Ooh, where are you? There you are. Okay, and... Really? Can I have my gun? Thank you. Ugh. Ambush the priestess. I can do that. Alright, well, let's reload. Oh, I'm out of ammo. Okay. I will use that. And we will put down...
I hope you're ready, Rook. If our timing is right, that priestess is gonna arrive any second.
Okay.
Rook, Sheriff here. I got the word you killed that priestess. Sounds like you even managed to save some of our own. You got the Cougars back here nice and fired up. Hell of a job, Rook. Hell of a job.
Yeah. Couldn't save all the fuckers.
Let me be the first to thank you, Rook.
Oh,
No
cool.
small deed. Outstanding job, Deputy.
I would like a different weapon. Whatever. Whoa. Oh, I didn't know there was a difference. Okay.
I see you!
Damn, that took forever to blow up. Oh, hey. Thanks for bringing me a Jeep. I didn't want to drive around that shitty white truck. It's a shitty truck! Hi. Alright then. Oh, hi. I love idiots, my god. Idiots are just so nice to have. Oh, what are we doing? Well, I guess we can do that, so how about we fast travel? Dink! I love fast travel! Yes, I do! Okay. You know, the one bad thing about canning episodes is the storage that is needed to can said episodes. 'Cause, god damn! The way I actually should do a video on how my shit's set up.
Thanks again for the help here.
Oh, god damn it.
Nothing beats Montana skies. Even
Hi.
Faith. Deputy, I need to ask you something.
Yep.
You ever heard of a
I
fella
don't
by the
know.
name of Feeney? He was a pharmacist in town. A lot of
Okay.
people looked up to him.
Uh-huh.
Thought he was a pillar of the community.
Cool.
But, truth is, he was nothing but a dope pusher.
Cool.
Feeney's with the cult now.
Yeah.
Helped him create this bliss. Word is, he's up at Jessup Conservatory.
Okay.
It was a beautiful atrium back before... well, before. Now Feeney's using it to grow his poison. Nothing but fields of those awful flowers.
All right.
I was thinking, if you happen to head over there and burn them flowers, well, I bet Feeney'd come running over in a panic.
Alright, so we can do that. Oh, wait. There was a read. Dad, can I borrow $100 or even 80? I'll pay it back on...
Be in a sorry state of jail under Cougar rule.
Yep, whatever. Meh, meh, meh. Cool!
Peggy's won't take this plate as long.
Locate hard fishing spot to beat. I don't give a shit about that. Actually, let's see. Where do we need to go? Wow. Alright then. Over there it is. So, helicopter it is. Turn around, hop in. Ooh. That way. Oh. I was already looking the right direction, basically. Ooh, look at that zip line. It's pretty long. Oh, hey. There's a, thing. There's a outpost thing. I wonder if I could kill it just by helicopter alone. Kinda wanna find out. You know, because why not? We're in a helicopter. If I can shoot it and take everything down with pretty much no issue. What? Alright, did it die? Fuck no. Did it die? No. Okay, it died. But yeah, I mean, why not? Alright. Can whoever else is alive show themselves? Oh, there you are. Sweet! Alright. No alarms even. Yeah, I don't care. $400, 400 rep. Hell yeah! Getting closer to Faith's face.
Fool me once, shame on your holy words.
Come on your face. I mean,
None of us are perfect. We all make mistakes
Yeah,
from time to
of course.
time. Even myself.
yeah, but the difference is, I am going to kill you.
Foolishly, I thought we were coming to an understanding. Foolishly, I thought we were building trust.
Nope. Sure as fuck not. Cool.
Our trust has been broken. Again and again. So there will be no more interference. No more distractions. No more pity.
Okay.
This is the will of the
Hey, Deputy, Virgil here. Once you reach the conservatory, you clear the place. The key is burning all them bliss crops. That's gonna bring Feeney out of the woods. Good luck.
Ow. I wonder, can switching my weapons and then firing flares down hurt anybody? Nope, not really. Really? Alright, whatever. Oh god. Cool. Fucking Christ! Alright then, you can go, fuck yourself. Alright, well, don't have the helicopter anymore. So, I guess we'll do it properly. Come on. You're on the net. I got the helicopter!
Virgil here. Once you reach
Okay.
the conservatory, clear the place. The key is burning all them bliss crops. That's gonna bring Feeney out of the woods. Good luck.
Are you kidding? Oh, I was all excited and buying ammo and stuff. My right control stick doesn't work, so I have to take my hand off the controller, press reload basically, and
Hey, Deputy,
go from there.
Virgil here.
Okay.
Once you reach the conservatory, you clear the place. The key is burning all them bliss crops. That's gonna bring Feeney out of the woods. Good luck.
Okay. Shoot that one. Reload. There we go. Yep. So easy. Fucking rockets. Alright. So I guess let's skip it. Oh man, look at that. Alright, so let's go ahead and
Only
land.
once, shame on you. Only twice.
I already heard this shit, bitch. And Molotov.
None of us are perfect. We all
Nope.
make mistakes from time to time. Even myself.
If only there was a way to turn the bliss against you.
Molotov. Molotov.
Foolishly, I thought we were coming to an
I
understanding.
think I have to turn off the water.
Foolishly, I thought we were building trust.
Are you sure you want to do this? These powers bring hope. You
Oops.
bring destruction.
Fuck off, Bliss
Trust
bitch.
has been broken. Again and again. So there will be no more interference.
Okay.
No more distractions. No more pity.
No, please! Yeah, got him now!
Okay. Excuse me.
Hey, Deputy. Feeney's coming to you. Get ready. This is your chance. Okay. Feeney
Extra
here.
crafty.
We're just arriving. What's going on down there?
Feeny? Where's Feeny? Feeny? Oh, he's up there.
Get out! It's a trap! We've lost Jessup! It's an ambush! Go! Go! Meet at the rendezvous! We'll finish them off there!
Or I'll just shoot him out of the air.
Wow, Deputy, you got him. No more Feeney, no more drug chemistry. We're getting rid of that bliss. Ain't that something? I'm proud of you, Deputy. I think my boy would be proud too.
Woo! Yay! Time to take her down! Alright. So, next episode. It's time to kill Faith. Thanks for watching. As always, you will see me in the next video. Bye-bye!